So I have tested out a ton of new brand arrivals from Amazon that you're not gonna wanna miss this month. And we have some great like designer look for less items, some casual, a hidden gem in here, a little fashion hack. So make sure to stay tuned to the end. Everything will be linked down below as well as pinned as the comment like always. Never did I think that this combo could exist in one, and it did. This is a sweatpant jean. Now, when you first think of this, you're like, there's no way that's actually gonna be good, right? These are incredible. I am absolutely shocked by just the fit on them, the style, the fabric. It just feels so nice to wear. And when you walk, it's a kind of like a lightweight fabric that it just looks really good when you're walking too. Kind of like those just like off-duty model, like a type of style. So these are more of a straight style, more fit flare. They fit up at your waistline, but then they're more of a straight style. So you're getting that trend while also being comfortable, while also looking like jeans. And they're gonna be the jeans you're gonna wanna wear all day long. Now, they're easy to wear casual with your favorite, sweater, pullover, sneakers, then also can be dressed up. I got them in both color washes, a light wash, and then this is more of like a medium wash. They have functional pockets, which is amazing. And the length is really nice on these. For reference, I am 5'8.5", 5'9", and they fit beautifully. So I would say if you're in between sizes, size down one, they do have a good amount of stretch here, and they are that roomier straight style. So definitely one you'll see me wearing on repeat. I love this sneaker so much. I have it in the maroon because that's the color of the season, and I now just picked it up in beige. It has a slight platform to it, but it's so comfortable. It's one of those trendy, stylish sneakers. It's actually really practical to walk into. Comfortable padding around your ankle area. I have like bony ankles that get blisters very easily, and these pass the test. And this has a bit of a suede texture that's going on, which is again a really trendy fabric this season. And if you want a sneak peek on the top shoe trends we're seeing in 2025, make sure to enter into my email list below. I don't spam you, you just get all of the fun details before everybody else. This sneaker does run true to size, and it comes in whole and half sizing. We love that. Can we talk about how gorgeous this cardigan sweater is? I saw this as a new arrival and I was like, that is stunning. I must try it out to see how the fabric is. And honestly, I was shocked. It's kind of like a silky soft sweater material, and it lays really nicely, and it kind of has a look of a lightweight coat, but it's actually just a sweater cardigan, which is great. So it lays nicely, it's not bulky. I loved the detailing around the hemlines, also down around the front pockets. It has 3 functional pockets here. So again, you can wear it closed or you can wear it opened up with your favorite bodysuit or blouse on underneath. It comes in 3 other colors available in small, medium, and large. I have size small, and it kind of comes in that naturally oversized fit. I feel like this gives very expensive look for less, which is great. We love that here. But the only thing I wish about this particular listing is it had more sizes. It only comes in small, medium, and large, but just keep in mind it is more of an oversized fit. Long enough to cover the bumps. This looks amazing with denim jeans, but also with your favorite pair of leggings and some knee-high boots for the cooler months. This particular style comes in about 5 or 6 other color options too. I am loving this like coffee gray. I thought it was beautiful. In case you missed it, the top trends of 2025 video, I will have it listed up here. You can watch it after this video. One of the top trends we're seeing are mesh slash like just like detailed tops like this that are slightly see-through. And I love the way that this completely transforms an outfit. So this particular listing on Amazon it's really cool because if you look at the different items on there, they have different styles with like mesh see-through. The quality is really nice. This has like a slight mock neck going on here, and it hits right at the waist area. Now, as I said, they are like a meshy see-through detail. They are available in sizes small through extra large. And again, tons of colors, different like styles. Some of them have like the polka dot, some of them have like a flowery lacy style. You have to check it out. There's so many gorgeous ones. But underneath of that, since it is more of a like a sheer style, I grabbed this pack. I've actually had this pack of like cropped tanks for maybe 3, almost going on 4 years. They're amazing. They come in 4 colors. I just wore the brown one with this one, but these are cropped. They're just a cotton fabric. They come in a pack of 4. They're great. So if you need just a basic layering tank to throw on underneath of a mesh top, I would go with these, and they also run true to size. Now, this pea coat feels like it should have been something that I picked up straight out of like Nordstrom or Aritzia, any other higher end, high price point store. It's beautiful. This pea coat I feel like is going to sell out so quickly. It comes in just a few color options. I opted for this warm like camel color. I feel like this is a beautiful piece that you can wear casually, but then also as a workwear option. Now, this is mainly poly, so this is not gonna get too wrinkled if you're traveling, which is nice, or just in general, I feel like this fabric gets wrinkled a lot less easy. I love the pockets on it. I like the side stitching. The neckline here just lays so beautifully, and it's a nice long line style. So it's long enough to cover a lot of your body, which again helps with warmth. The fabric here was a little bit heavier than I thought, which kind of just attests to the quality of it. I feel like it just feels really, really luxe. Now, as far as sizing, I went with size small. It does have that naturally oversized, trendy fit. Looks beautiful with trousers all the way to your favorite pair of denims, maybe the sweatpant jeans that we shared earlier in today's video, or all the way to your favorite comfy set. So beautiful option. I just love this coat, and I feel like it's an Amazon hidden gem that we just all need to know about. It also does have an adjustable belt here. You actually can remove that if you want more of like a slouchy fit, or you can utilize it to cinch in the waist and give a little bit of extra shape. Now, this vest we are talking about, it is one of my all-time favorites on Amazon. Last year, I had gotten this in just the cream, and I styled so many different looks with it. I wore it so much, so I decided to get it up in the chocolate brown. This is such a great free people look for less. Like, you do not need to spend a lot of money on expensive vests. This is the vest to grab on Amazon. It features pockets. I like the extended shoulder here. I feel like it's just that little detail. It also is that naturally oversized fit like free people. So this comes in sizes extra small through 2XL. I'm wearing true to size small, and it comes in various different color options. It also has two little cinches down at the side here that if you want it to cinch in around the waist and kind of bring it up a little bit more of a crop style, you can do that too. So there's lots of options with it. Again, a really, really versatile piece. I just love styling it with a black bodysuit on underneath, a white bodysuit, all the way to just a comfy sweater if you really need that warmth. But this will be a closet staple. It does have a full zip as well as snap buttons. Now, throughout today's video, you have seen these little booties styled in so many looks. It's actually like my go-to ankle, like low shaft booty this season. It does have a suede style, which again, huge trend. This is the fabric for winter 25. It does have a stretchy band here, so it's an easy pull and style. You don't have to worry about any zippers, anything like that. And it has this gorgeous pointed toe that's really flattering. Whole and half sizing, really comfortable to walk in, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. But it'll be one that you can match with just so many different looks. I think that's why I gravitated towards so much. So in your wardrobe, having just a neutral classic booty that goes with everything, it just makes styling so easy. It's all about the layers in the winter to just kind of bring and switch up a chic outfit than feeling like you just always need to throw on like a sweater. This sweater dress is beautiful. I love the loose, comfy fit on this. It does come in a wide range of color options as well as sizes, which is great. Now, again, I'm 5'8" and a half, 5'9" for reference. The length on this is perfect. I was really happy. Typically, I'll kind of teeter between a small and a medium, usually a medium in dresses because of my height. This one was perfect. So you can style a black bodysuit on underneath, or you can go with a mesh top or one of the mesh tops on that product page and style underneath of this, throw on some fleece lined tights, some knee high boots, and it's just such a cute winter outfit. Great for church, great for date night, going out to dinner. It's beautiful. You even can style the peacoat over top of it just for that added length and warmth to it. But the fabric is really nice. It's like a true lightweight sweater material. V-neck going on here, and the front pockets again are so cute. So this is one that's so good. You'll want to grab it in more than one color. All right, ladies, this I think is one of my all-time favorite cardigans from Amazon ever. The cozy factor. How cozy this is insane. It's truly like a blanket wrapped around you, and I love the print. I think it is so cute. It's that naturally oversized fit, and it goes a little bit higher in the front, lower in the back, so it's like the perfect sweater to wear with leggings too. It comes in a bunch of different color options. I just love that it's neutral, so I've styled it with the mesh long sleeve underneath of it. It's also great with just a white bodysuit and some layered necklaces, like gold necklaces. The tones on that would look really pretty. Or you could opt for the necklace that I have on right now. This is actually a designer inspired one. The original one's like $9,900 something, and this one is literally $10 on Amazon, and I wear it every single day. You guys have seen this in tons of the video, as well as my luxury inspired Amazon video you can go check out after this video if you want to. But this also does feature the really comfy drop shoulders. It's just so cute. And again, gives that expensive look for less. Very Free People inspired here, but the pattern on the back is different than the front, which I think is really fun too. Now, as far as sizing, I am wearing size small here, and it has that very naturally oversized fit that we all want in a cardigan. My excitement level for these corduroy bibs are unmatched. I actually saw these on a friend and I was like, those are so cute. She had styled a white bodysuit underneath and it was just adorable. I loved it with some layered necklace, and the fabric is incredible. It's a corduroy cotton and a little bit of poly in there, so it lays really nicely. It's not a bulky corduroy. It lays nicely. It doesn't feel like it adds any extra bulk whatsoever. It does have adjustable straps here, which is great if you're taller like I am. These run like an ankle length on me, so I styled them with these suede ankle booties, and that was perfect. And then a black bodysuit underneath, and then if you layer necklaces on here, it just takes it to the next level. It does feature pockets in the back as well. It's so easy breezy and comfortable. It features pockets on the side here too for extra movement, as well as one on the front. But I think these are such a fun way to switch up a winter outfit this year. Really cute, really casual, and again, this is another really great look for less. These go for really high price points at higher end retailers, and the fabric on this, it feels really amazing. Machine washable and available in sizes small through 2XL. I'm wearing size small. Now let's chat some accessories here, since I know I've styled a lot in today's video, but this little tote bag, the almost identical one, and I have felt the one from Free People. Like I can't tell a difference. Like that's how similar they are. I can't tell a difference. It has a full zip on the top. It's a one shoulder strap, which is great. So it lays on your shoulder really nicely. And it's so slouchy and great. Like moms, this is great to take with you if you have kiddos, if you are a teenager, or someone who's in college. This is just the look that everyone's going with right now, and I'm here for it. I love the slouchy oversized fit. It's super practical. Comes in so many color options. I just went with a basic black for the winter season, and I'm just absolutely hooked on it. And then this is the black bodysuit I've been styling with a ton of today's looks. I've tried out a lot of bodysuits, and if you're not looking for that like spandexy stretchy material, you want more of a cotton, opt for this bodysuit. It's really breathable. It's not one that rides up at all. It lays really nicely. It's a crew neck style, so you can easily layer necklaces over it. So I've styled this in a ton of today's look. This bag will go with a ton of neutral looks. Here is another new arrival to Amazon. In this season, I am gravitating towards like this scallop detailing so much. I feel like it elevates a look, and it's just like a fun little detail. Now, this one on the product page on Amazon, they showed it like she wasn't wearing any like shirt underneath. It was basically just like a sleeveless sweater, and I was like, we could not get away with that here in Pennsylvania. It is way too cold for that. So again, I styled the black bodysuit I have on underneath. Again, you could go with like a white mesh top with this would be super cute and fun. Great workwear piece or casual option. It's long enough to cover the bum. It does feature pockets in the front, as well as an adjustable waist belt that you can take off if you don't want, or if you want to add your own, you can do that as well. True to size small here, comes in various different color options, and I just love it. The fabric is, I would say, light to medium weight. Again, lays really nice, doesn't feel bulky. This is great with a pair of denim jeans. Now, if you're looking for a really warm winter essential, this vest, I have been just loving this vest. Look at the cozy, like furry fabric on the inside. So this is what touches your skin that keeps you so warm, and that has just that like typical vest fabric on the outside. Now it has this quilted detail on it too, which is really nice. It does have adjustable little bands here around the waistline that you can cinch it in, or you can wear it more of a straight style. Now this is a longer style than like the vest that I have on now. So this is definitely legging friendly. It is going to cover the bum, but I just say over and over again, it's all about the layers. So you could go with fleece lined tights with this, some knee-high boots with some really cozy warm socks for a really cold day, and this would be beautiful. It does feature pockets on the side. It comes in a bunch of more color options, and I'm wearing my true to size small. I love how it has this little detail down at the hemline. Little details like that make all of the difference. Now, if you love the look of the Barefoot Dreams cardigans, but don't want to pay that price point, here is a really great look for less on Amazon. I was honestly shocked how cozy this felt, how warm it was when I put it on. Now, I styled a bodysuit on underneath of this. This comes in a bunch of color options. I'm wearing my true to size small here, and it's a neutral. It's gonna go with everything. You can cuff the sleeves up for more of a relaxed fit. You can wear it with leggings, knee-high boots. You can wear it with denim jeans. It has a really great length to it. So this goes to about like my mid-thigh thigh area. And I love the deep front pockets. So I also like that this one's a little bit more fitted. A lot of cardigans I wear are very oversized and slouchy, and this one's a little bit more fitted if you don't want that extra fabric. Now I have hazel eyes, so anything like this olive green color, just I gravitate towards. I think it looks good, makes my eyes look green and it makes it pop. So I love this color green, but look at the little details on this. It has like a pearl and gold detail on it. Now I have it styled button up, but you easily can open this up and wear it as a cardigan, a piece that you can wear casually with jeans and then also for work too. Now, if this color is not your cup of tea, this green mossy color, it definitely comes in a bunch of other color options. This is a lightweight fabric that feels really nice. Now, if you can see, it has kind of this cool stitching detail on it, which I think is really fun. Now, anything with bows just catches my eye right now. And this one is another stitch style sweater, but this one is not see-through. So you're not gonna have to worry about like your skin showing through on this one, but you're definitely gonna need to layer something because it has an open concept in the front. But look at the gorgeous scallop detailing down around the bottom, as well as the wrist here. This is so beautiful. It's a lightweight fabric that lays really nicely, wearing true to size small. Just layer this, layer a bodysuit, a long sleeve underneath of it. Maybe a mock neck lace top would be really, really cute, like the brown one I shared. And again, it's gonna be different than just like your basic oversized sweater that we're all seeing. But this is adjustable here and is so, so beautiful. This is now my second color in this open stitch sweater. Now I want you to see here up close. You can see it is like an open style. So you're definitely gonna wanna style something on underneath of this. I actually have like a cropped white t-shirt or like fitted shirt that I really like to wear under this. And it switches things up than just like your typical sweater. Now, if you live somewhere down south where it's a little bit warmer, this is the winter sweater you want. I'm wearing true to size small here, and the fabric is a little bit more of a heavier weight, so it lays really nice, has a really soft, stretchy fabric, and then has that crew neck style going on up here. Comes in a bunch of different color options. I like this one for, this is gonna be great. We're now layered, but then also heading into the spring. And if you wanna keep up to date with all of the best Amazon finds and daily deals, head on over to Instagram, my story. I usually do giveaways over there weekly. Tons of really great deals you're not gonna wanna miss. Bye.